Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of Jeffree Stars Spring mystery boxes. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So Jeffree Star launched his Spring 2021 mystery boxes, and I had full intentions of picking up a couple of the boxes, and when that day came, it was like, it went right over my head. I totally forgot about it. So then tonight I was in my kitchen making supper, and all of a sudden my boyfriend came up to me and he's like, I think they got this package wrong. And I'm like, what? And I looked at it and I knew right away that this was Jeffree Star's mystery box. And I'm like freaking out, looked at the mailing address and it was in his name, and then I knew right then that he was surprising me with a Jeffree Star mystery box. So I'm so happy because I forgot about it, but he didn't. So I'm so happy that I get to film this today. I have the best boyfriend ever. Okay, so this is I believe this is the $100 mystery box. I have picked up one of them before, like the smallest one, and I liked it, so I'm excited to see what's in this one. Okay, so when you open it up, it just looks like this. Ooh, okay, so it looks like this inside the box. And also, I just had some things removed on my eyelids, so I'm actually not supposed to be wearing makeup for another 3 weeks. So if my makeup looks really bad, it's because I had to like throw something on fast, and I'm not able to like put anything on my eyelids. So that is why. It's been like 3 weeks and I have not been wearing makeup at all. It's crazy. Okay, so the first thing that I have here, this is the Jeffree Star first edition pin set. So it looks like this. You get 4 of them. It says, hey, how are you? Beauty killer, and then you get a lipstick and his star, or the star. Ooh, I am so excited. Okay. So the first thing that I see here, oh, there's quite a bit of stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is a shirt, and my boyfriend did get it in a large. Well, usually he tries to get me smalls or mediums, and I'm always like, they just don't fit. I like something baggy. I like something that's not like tight fitting because I need to lose some weight. So let's see what this is. I don't have any shirts or clothing from Jeffree Star, so this is my first one, and it just comes with his logo on the front, and then on the back it is, what does it say? On the back it just says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I like this so much. That is definitely something I'll probably sleep in. The next things that I see here is these eyeshadows, and I don't think that Jeffree Star sells single eyeshadows. Maybe he does. The first one is right here. Hopefully the light won't wash that out. Look how pretty that is. And then you got this shade right here. Hopefully the camera is picking up this shade. This shade was Good Morning right here. Then the last shade here is Grave Digger. These are so cool. I'm excited to try them out. Then the next thing that I got in the box is the gloss in the shade Tabletop. I actually don't have any of his glosses. I was going to pick them up when they were released, but I totally forgot all about it. I do have I have a lot of his liquid lips. But this is what the shade looks like right here, and then let's swatch it. Oh, okay, so this is just like a nude, kind of like a nude gloss, if you can see. There's a little bit of pigment there, but it's just like a nice nude one. It does look like there's some purple glitter in there, like a shimmer. The next thing that I got here is a lipstick, and this is the Shane Dawson Lip Balm in the shade Diet Shane. I, again, did not pick up anything from the Shane Dawson collection. I wanted to, and I was just busy because I missed out on it. Oh, look at this. It's a cute, I like that. And this is just a clear balm. So I like that a lot. That's like gonna sit up there. So the next thing that I have here is a velvet liquid lip in the shade Birthday Suit. I already own this one in the full size and a mini, so I'm just gonna put that to the side. I'm sure you guys have all seen that shade before. The next thing that I have here, what is this? This is the Resting Rich Face. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay, so this is eyeliner in, oh, this is like a nice green, kind of like an army green, kind of. It is swatch right there. Hopefully the camera's not washing that out. That is nice, I like that. Okay, then the next thing that I got, it comes in this packaging right here, and I got the Jawbreaker palette. I actually do not own this either. I really wanted to pick this up, but I just didn't do it. I do own a couple of his palettes, so I am so excited about this one right here. This is amazing. I love this so much. It does have a lot of colors and a lot of like crazy colors in here. Ooh, that light is going to wash this out. This one does have like a lot of crazy colors and stuff, but I am excited. I will still get a lot of use out of this. And then the last thing that I see in here, it comes in this box right here, and I'm not sure what this is. It says Money Honey. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Look at all of them. Oh my gosh, so you get Bankroll, Dead Presidents, High Society, Dirty Money, Special Order, Deep Pockets, Crocodile Tears, and Karma. All of them right here. I was not expecting this at all. This is crazy. That is crazy. I am so excited that they threw this in here too. So that is everything that I got in my spring mystery box. Overall, I am really excited. I really like the Jawbreaker palette. I love the gloss and the single eyeshadows. I can't wait to use. I do like this a lot. I really do like this, but I will not get a lot of use out of it. So I think what I'm going to do is give this away and give this full-size Birthday Suit liquid lip away too, because I have so many liquid lips, it's not even funny. I have to go through and declutter a lot of them because I have 2 drawers full of them, and I know I just won't use them all up. So I don't want to open this up and start playing with them when I know that I might wear them once or twice, but that is it. So I'd rather give it away to somebody that will actually like it and get some use out of it. So even though I do not have that many subscribers at all, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway, because if there's one person out there that, you know, wants this and will use this, then I'd rather give it to that person. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below of how I can get a hold of you. I would think the easiest way for me would be your email address or Instagram, and yeah, I will pick a winner in 1 week from today. And whoever wins will be able to get both of these. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!